Hey guys, getting a paycheck faster is one of the Monzo's best perks. In 2025, Monzo still lets you access your salary a day early with no extra fee. Here's exactly how to set it up. First, make sure that your employer pays your salary directly into your Monzo account. You will need to give them your Monzo account number and sort code, which you can find in the app under Account tab. Monzo's Get Paid Early feature works automatically for BACS payment. This includes most UK salaries, pensions, student loans, and some government benefits. Faster payments like bank transfers won't qualify. Once Monzo sees your incoming BACS payment, you will get a notification the day before payday. It usually pops up between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. the day before your scheduled payment date. Now, when the notification appears, just tap the Get Paid Early in the app. The money will hit your account right away up to 24 hours ahead of the official payday. After you get paid, you can use Monzo's salary sorter to automatically split your paycheck into spending, bill, and saving pots. It's a fast way to stay organized the moment your money arrives. So Monzo's early pay also applies to student loans and many government payments, not just salaries. So as long as it's a BACS payment, you can unlock it early. Final verdict, getting paid early with Monzo is simple, automatically, and totally free. Just route your salary into Monzo, watch for the notification, and tap to unlock your money a day early. It's one of Monzo's best everyday perks, and it genuinely makes a difference when cash is tight. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.